This is Raju Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Bad Gandhinagar. In Advanced Java Programming, Unit 2, JDBC Programming, we have discussed in previous lecture JDBC API, JDBC Connectivity Models, JDBC Architecture, JDBC Driver Type, Type 1, Type 2, Type 3 and Type 4 driver, JDBC Component already discussed and JDBC Package 4.0 is already discussed. Then in this video lecture we will discuss JDBC process. How can we create the program and what is the JDBC process? So in the first step we required loading the JDBC driver. From 4 driver we required to load the driver. So first step to load the driver. Second step is connection to the database. Here we can use the database like IBM DB2 database, or we can use the Microsoft SQL servers, or you can use the Oracle database. In the third step, creating and executing the statement like SQL statement, we required write the query for executing the SQL statement. Step 4 is processing the data written by the DBMS, and later on we terminate the connection while we are performing the connection or communication with the database. So finally we required to close the connection. So in the fifth step, terminating the connection. So what do you mean by loading the JDBC driver? Means we create an instance of the driver. We registered driver in the driver manager. Driver manager is class. In previous session we already discussed what is driver manager and role of driver manager. Then loading the driver or drivers. If you are load more than one driver, so we required to load. Here the role of driver manager. So this is the class that manage list of database driver that match the connection required from the Java application with proper database driver using communication sub protocol. The first driver that recognize a certain sub protocol under the JDBC will be used to establish the database connection. We load the driver by using uh, loading command or driver string. For example, if we want to use the driver for MySQL, so here the code for MySQL is used. We already discussed snippet code, but let me discuss in details why we require the class dot for name. So by using this method, you can load your drivers. So class dot for name in bracket we required com.mysql.jdbc driver. Here we are using the MySQL driver. So the path we required class dot for name and method is used com.mysql.jdbc driver. Then this is the class that represent the class and interface in running Java application. Then for name return the class object associated with the class or interface with the given string name. Here we string already provided. And what do you mean by for name? So class dot for name is method. So this method is used for loading the class dynamically while we are working with the database. So this method is useful to load the class dynamically. Here main package is used. So com.mysql, sub package mysql.jdbc. We are using the JDBC. And last one, this is the driver. It is used to initiate the driver at runtime. Let me discuss the second step of connecting the database. So connection to the database. After you have loaded the driver, you can establish the connection using the driver manager class. So driver manager class that contain the java.sql.driver manager. Here the method used for driver manager is public static connection get connection, in the bracket we require the string URL through SQL exception. It attempts to establish the connection to given database URL. The driver manager attempt to select an appropriate driver from set of registered JDBC drivers. Second method, that is public static connection get connection, in the bracket string URL, string user as well as string password, then bracket over through SQL exception. So why we required this get connection method? Get connection, it attempt to establish the connection to the given database URL. URL is nothing but the database URL of from JDBC colon sub protocol colon subnet, and name of the user is the database user on whose behalf the connection is being made, and we are using the password, so user's password also required. In the second step, the syntax, we require the create the connection, like connection object connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection URL comma username, and we require the password, then bracket over semicolon. So this is the connection object. So what is the use of what is the use of driver manager dot get connection? While we are using this statement driver manager dot get connection, so it required to create the connection by using particular driver. Here we create one object, so it is the interface of java.sql package. Here class of java.sql package is used driver manager, and let me discuss with example. So here connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. We required in double quote JDBC colon MySQL colon double slash localhost colon 3306. This is the port number. You can use the URL instead of port number slash GTU. So this one is the first field URL. We covered the username. We are using the Oracle or SQL driver. So username is root, and we require the password. In the password we fill the PWD. So this is simple example of connecting to the database and creating the statement. For creating the statement, once the connection is obtained, we can interact with the database. So JDBC statement interface define the method and property that enable you to send SQL or PLSQL commands and retrieve the data from your database. Statement st is equal to con dot create statement. So it is the interface. We already discussed the component of JDBC. So statement is one of the component of JDBC that use the interface, and interface is used for general purpose accessing to your database. When using the static SQL statement, we are using runtime. So we required statement st object is created, then create statement required the statement through the SQL exception, and create statement object for sending SQL statement to the database. In the third step, executing the statement. Once you have created the statement object, you can use it to the execute an SQL statement with one of its three execute method. So first method is result set. By using result set method, the result set execute query in the bracket string SQL through SQL exception. It return the result set object. Use this method when you accept to get the result set as you would with the select statement. So what is the query of select statement? select star from table name. We are using the select statement. So what is the query of select statement? Simple, retrieve the information from the table. We required select star from table name. Second method is Boolean execute string SQL through SQL exception. So Boolean method that return a Boolean value of true if a result set object can be retrieved, otherwise it return the false value. Then integer execute update. This method is used. Then integer execute update in the bracket string SQL through SQL exception. It returns the number of row affected by the execution of SQL statement. So we all familiar with the SQL statement while we are using the execute update. Example, we are inserting the data in database, we are updating the tables or delete some row or information from tables. So this is the DML command while we are using the SQL statement. Integer execute, it is integer execute update, nothing but the updating your database. Executing the statement. What is the syntax of executing the statement? Result set rs is equal to st.execute query. In the bracket we write the query, then semicolon. So this is the object created for result set. Rs is nothing but the object. It holds the data retrieved from a database after you execute an SQL query using statement object. It acts as iterator to allow you to move through the data. And execute query return the result set object that use method when you expect to get the result set as you would with the select statement. Here while we are using the result set, so result set rs is equal to statement dot execute query. Here simple table is used, diet table. So we write the query for retrieving the information from diet table. Select star from diet. We write in double quotation. So this is the execution query. It cover into the data definition language that retrieve the number of row as well as column from the diet table. Third step is continue by using the result set. Rs is equal to statement dot execute query. We are using the select star from diet. So here the database is available like information, enrollment number, name and branch. Here first enrollment number, if you are given the validation, so you can cover the total length as given on your enrollment number. You can use your proper name. Here the example, so I use the ABC and branch is computer engineering. So by using this select query, we retrieve all the information. So result set rs display the total information of given tables. In the table there are 4 entries, so 601, 602, 603 and 604. All this information will display by using this select statement. And we are using the Java application. So Java application is directly connected with database by using type 4 driver. Result set rs is equal to statement dot execute select star from diet where enrollment number is equal to 601 or enrollment number is equal to 602. So this is the table for database where your table is stored, and by using result set we retrieve two rows by 601 as well as 602. Enrollment number and name of the particular row is ABC and PQR. Branch of particulars is CE and ME. So result will display in Java application. Step 4 is processing data written by DBMS. So what is the method used for processing the data written by DBMS? First method is Boolean next. through SQL exception. So it move the cursor forward one row from its current position. String, get string, integer, column index through exception, SQL exception. So it retrieve the value of designate column in the current row of this result set object as a string. String, get string, string, column, label through the SQL exception. It retrieve the value of designate column in the current row of this result set object as string in the Java programming language. Integer get int. So integer column index through SQL exception, it return an integer in current row in the specific column index. Integer get int in the bracket string column label through SQL exception. So it retrieve the value of designate column in current row. Here one example for processing the data written by the DBMS. So we use the one example like while rs.next method is used, and we simply print the particular EMP ID by using system.out.println. So this statement is used, and we use the rs.getString, first string is used, and system.out.println rs.getInt. We require the information from EMP ID. So in the bracket EMP ID, bracket over semicolon. It returns the value of specific column number. First column number is used, and EMP ID is written the value of specific column name. Step 5, that terminating the connection. So we required close the connection by using the close method. The connection of DBMS is terminated by using the close method. Here the example rs.close. So it releases the result set object, database and JDBC resource immediately. rs.close. We also required a statement close by using st.close. So it releases the statement object, database and JDBC resource immediately. We required also close the connection by using con.close method. So it releases the connection object, database and JDBC resource immediately. Again JDBC with different RDBMS. We covered the relational database like MySQL, Oracle, DB2, Sybase, SQLite, SQL servers. So all the database that cover with particular JDBC driver name and URL format. Here first MySQL that cover the com.mysql.jdbc driver, we already discussed in previous lecture. URL format is used JDBC :mysql hostname and JDBC database name. Same way used for Oracle, DB2, Sybase, SQLite and SQL Server. JDBC program we will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you for attending this session.